So I'm doing a video here of this. I have a 2008 Ford E350 with a 6-liter Power Stroke diesel, and had a vacuum pump failure on this, and I've already gotten the pump out, and I'll show you everyone what fails on these. So you can see on this old pump, this is actually the diaphragm part. You can see how the symmetrical. Anyway, took this this part off, which pushes down on this diaphragm here. So right down in here, you can see that little poppet valve, rubber poppet valve. So that has failed. So ordered this one, got it on eBay, brand new OEM Ford Motorcraft, and these are a bit of a pain in the butt to get out. So it's got 3 screws that go in through here. Actually, you got to put it in through the back side, but the 3 screws go back in here. Let's see, get this laying this way. So 3 screws go in here. Sorry, 3 screws go in here, and even the serpentine belt is a little difficult to take off, but you see the vacuum pump lays right down in, right down there. You can see right where the 3 bolt holes, there's one, there's that stud sticking out that has no function, but you got the 3 bolt holes there, and it lines up with the belt. And one of the things about these Fords, the E350 vans, is the serpentine belt. And the serpentine belt, to loosen these up, you must take off. Actually, take the shroud. You pull the shroud back, and you can basically get to the, let me turn the light on here. I don't know where the light is. Anyway, the tensioner lays right, it's right up in here, and there's a bolt. If you look right here, right there where I'm pointing the light, right here, there's a bolt that holds this piece to the shroud. You take that bolt out, basically just discard it, and the tensioner is going to be like right up in here, and you're going to come down here with a breaker bar and loosen it. It actually goes towards the passenger side, goes that way to loosen it, to take the tension off, and then you can take the belt off, and then you release it, and then the belt comes off. So hopefully this helps out people. There's really not any videos on the E350s. So anyway, so we're getting ready to put the pump on. Let me pause this if I can. I think I can. I'm going to do a 2-part, so I'm going to put this on and I'll take another video.